too difficult. We stay like that for almost a minute. Pran also refuses to end the call. That, yes, he asked me to say, I love you. If I just say, will you be upset? No. I grin, the first smile in hours of dreadful suffering. Thank you, Pran, for letting my heart know it has to keep beating for someone. Punch's detached house in the center of the city is the largest among others in that area. My childhood memories are fleeting, but I visited Aunt Luang once or twice as a grown up. Today, Punch wears a knee-length dress. She's carrying a tray of food to the table as her mom ordered. As the informal ceremony, we start by having a little chat with the elders about the company and gifts. I've just learned that Punch has been living